What's good, YouTube? Back here with another video to react to Nogla's funniest moments. Before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let's get into it.
We all said,
Hey, what the fuck is that fucking Houdini shit, dude? Why? Are you
calm
fucking
down.
I got 85 health now.
Instant. Destroyed.
do we put a wall here on this one?
Wait, what?
Man.
He just choked on a fly.
Oh, alright. Okay.
Took more than
Okay, here we
just a
go.
fly.
Last card. Here we go.
What color does he need?
He has a green, doesn't he? Let's find out.
Yes!
Nope, not today.
No, I got really excited. Food just showed up, okay? Food just showed up. I was excited.
Nope. Fuck you.
What the fuck? Yes, Jiggly.
Alright, Evan, we need teamwork of the highest caliber.
Oh, look at my
Yes.
hand, Nogla. Look at my
Oh,
fucking...
shit!
No.
We don't need teamwork, we just need luck. Oh, baby! Easiest fucking win of our lives, boys.
No,
Please
it's
don't
time for your
explode.
1v1. Oh, that's gonna blow up in your
shit.
dick.
Fuck. Oh.
Are you serious?
Man, she.
I did it, Mom!
You better watch
I
out.
did it!
right up,
Yeah, he was so close.
Oh, he fell.
Dead, yeah, fuck.
Yay. That's what you get.
Oh, look at him with the 4-bar, everyone else struggling.
I got a 4-bar.
Let's see,
everybody
everybody
else's
go.
4-bar.
Here
Oh,
we
bitch.
go. Oh, Brian's at it already, God. Good job, Brian.
Fuck off, you dumb bitch.
Oh, Brian, the lunch! The lunch was fucking... Wow!
I thought you screamed about lunch.
I had no idea you could milk Jim Jong.
Jim Jong-un. What up, is your boy Jim Jong-un? Jimmy Johns. Jimmy Johns.
Jimmy Johns.
Alright, okay, alright, there you go.
Oh, come on, you fucking fucked mine up. You could've, you fucked mine up and then didn't pick it, you bastard.
Hay bales, 2 and hay bales.
Fuck off!
Oh,
That was such shit! How like oh my gosh, I could have knifed him, but no, a shotgun bullet doesn't kill him. He's up there, Wildcat, kill that cunt.
kill that.
He's not up here anymore. He left a while ago.
Wait for the things to explode. There's another one, Nogla.
No, yeah, we're not shooting that one.
I'm gonna hit him with a pool cue.
Wait for them.
Alright?
Yeah.
Fucking idiot! You dumbass!
Come on, hit it, hit it.
We got this.
hit
Come on,
it.
Daddy.
Bah! Come on, don't, you bastards! Little fucking wooden cock blocking cunts! Hit me
Oh
now,
my.
you
Right in the
fuck!
middle, right in the middle, right in the...
Oh, come on! There's
Right down the
4 of
middle,
them
right down the
there!
middle.
Don't put me in the middle, you bitch! Oh, dude, this game, it's
I
gonna...
think he's got it now.
What is this? I can't do anything, I can jump, come on! Yeah, come on, come on, come
That was the
on!
weakest shit ever. He fucked himself jumping up.
It's working.
Come on, come on.
Nice, nice.
Alright, this one, I feel a good feeling about this one.
Yep. There it is.
Come on!
Right down the center.
This game.
I have a good feeling about it too.
What am I doing wrong?
You gotta hit it harder. What are you doing?
I. Oh, wow. Fuck this hole!
Oh, this is good.
Fuck it, there's 4 of them there! How can it be fucking me this hard?
Bro, how is he missing this?
Go on, one more.
Give me a break! This is complete bullshit! Why isn't it going in? Fucking. Finally! Fuck!
I'm
I
back.
can't get close enough to anybody to kill him.
Same.
Because everybody's just hiding back like fucking bitch boy Nogla.
Working spawns and shit. Noga's working spawns.
Oh, you so lucky! You so lucky that nigga. That second one.
What? Huh?
That second one never went off.
Nah, what you say, bro?
I I said.
Get this man in check.
What you say, bro?
I said that second one never went off.
God damn it.
Sound like you said a certain word to me.
Oh dear. Oh my
Second
god.
one never went off.
But I said it like I said it like super speed.
I know what you said super fast.
Look at that nigga.
He's talking through the game.
I'm Jigglypuff, bitches. you call me DJ Jigglypuff
Hey!
7.
No.
Ooh, what?
Ooh, who are we talking about? Eagle.
A Belgian foreign exchange friend of mine from high school.
Oh, is he retarded?
First to person,
Ooh, is he retarded?
He said it's such curiosity.
To meet him. I'm a big fan of the retards.
Let him go.
Backyard, you fucking know what 7 2.
Let him go. All right, Mr. Robot Man.
We hold on.
Wicka,
DJ. Go to the banana. Oh,
What?
This. Oh, fuck.
Go to the bed.
Damn.
Done! Y'all just watching me get pounded. Thanks, guys. Thanks.
What's happening?
You're the one screaming it.
Sound like two separate people.
What's happening?
Hello? Anybody
Content?
home? Hello?
Really nervous.
The fuck?
Oh, I forgot to walk out in time. You walked past me.
He walked around the corner and he went right here.
1989. On a cold, brisk morning in a barn where my mother squealed. And then I was born. That's, so Tyler's
It's Tyler's mom, apparently.
This guy's always in a damn tree houses.
I don't see him.
It's just shit.
Oh, shit.
You're gonna survive. This is so bullshit. I'm gonna die. It's your fault that I die and you survive. Fuck you! Drive away then, bitch. I got your license plate. Fucking see you in court, motherfucker.
Oh, what's this?
I'm sorry, no.
You ain't sorry. You got your clips. You're happy.
That boy's struggling.
Betrayed by Wildcat. That's my title.
Oh,
I'm something. Swap with Ted, not me. You dumb bastard.
Wait, no! I have a +4!
I don't. Yellow.
Nogla doesn't have
Dumb as shit.
Alright, I have a
Oh my god, he's angry.
What are you fucking doing?
The deck is gone.
We have the same fucking problem though. Don't play anything.
The deck is gone. I'm crying. I am crying.
Fucking dumb. Left.
Use your special. No!
Listen to him laugh. What a dick.
I think I killed everyone.
You fuck.
I didn't realize the upgraded pistols exploded.
Oh my god.
Pretty sure I murdered him.